Hi, hi, hi. Well, we have been sent another life jacket, and we're gonna try it out today. So let's take it out and see what it looks like. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh. This is not a good sign. So I just opened it up. This part is already broken off. And then this is like exploded. I've never seen this happen on any of the Lifevest I've had before. That looks like it's not supposed to... That looks like it's definitely not supposed to be like that. It's like leaking this white powdery stuff everywhere. So that is kind of, you can see it's cracked. I don't know if I can focus on that. So it's like very cracked. And I'm assuming that happened during shipping. So I'm a little weary to open it because it is kind of making a mess. And then I don't really know what this piece was supposed to be for. This looks like it's old maybe, and it is just damaged. Oh, it's very old. It says that it's from 2009. So let me, I'm like trying not to spill that stuff. Yeah, I've never seen one that's, okay, yeah, it's a bit of a mess. We might have to, okay, I'm gonna have to break. I'm gonna have to clean this up, and maybe I can just cut that part off or something. Hold, please. Okay, and we're back. So I just tried to put like tape around that part so that it's not leaking out everywhere, but I am still a little worried that this is not really in working condition. But I guess we're gonna go for it. So let's get it on first. Okay, so this goes around our waist. Okay, and then we pull this to tighten. Okay, so that is very tight around the waist. We've gotten that part on. Okay, so we're very tightly strapped in there. Let's see, so okay, we've got our red tubes here on the side to manually inflate our vest. Alright, so let's go ahead and blow in here, and we're gonna see if we can inflate this a little. No. No, you cannot. I'm blowing as hard as I can, and it doesn't feel like anything is inflating. So we'll try again on here. I don't think that there's anything I'm supposed to pull, right? Like I should be able to just blow in here and the air goes and it inflates. I don't feel like anything is happening. You can see I'm blowing right in there. Oh wait, there we go. We had to break some sort of seal. I don't know how a person is supposed to do this in an emergency, but you have to blow like surprisingly hard. There we go. Now we've gotten it a little bit. Let me see if I can do this side. It was really hard to like break the seal. There's no way. This feels like it's just, I think that this is just a vest that's broken. It doesn't seem like it's really working very well. We got a little bit of inflation. This side, I'm blowing as hard as I can. And nothing is happening, so I don't really know. But this I got a little bit inflated. Now I'm really scared to pull the cartridges because nothing on this Lifevest seems to work very well. So I'm a little frightened. I guess I'm just gonna have to go for it though. Okay, well, I got it a little manually inflated with our little red tubes. I don't know why this one will not inflate. Nothing. Okay, but I guess I'm just gonna go for it. I'm very, very scared because I don't know what will happen if it malfunctions. Okay, say a prayer for me, everybody. We're gonna just, we're gonna hope for the best. We're all strapped in. Okay, let's count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0? I'm afraid. Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my god, it's so tight. Oh my god. It feels like it is absolutely swallowing me. I've got my straps on so tight. Well, I feel like if my boat was sinking, I would definitely be saved. There's definitely no way I'm going anywhere with this tight Lifevest. Oh my gosh. It is so tight around my face and my neck. I think it definitely did the job. I was worried it wasn't going to work, but it looks like it does, in fact, still save lives. Oh my god, it's so tight. Now, if I only had a pool to test this out in. Now, how do I get out?